Hello, this is Mike Dyson with Marine Max Sail and Ski in San Antonio, Texas. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. Just received this boat, loaded with optional features. Excellent choice for a boat for fishing, whether it be in the bays or shallower water. Nice day offshore in the blue water. Great boat just to pile the family on and go for a ride. Enjoy the day. Over 60 gallons of fuel, gives you plenty of range. Fairly shallow draft, just over a foot. Aggressive entry point in the bow with a nice wide chine. Keep you nice and dry. Smooth out the bumps on the water. Built to whaler quality standards, obviously with the Unibond unsinkable hull construction. This boat features light gray exterior gel coat. It's subtle, but it's just enough to give it a two-tone look. We did the optional T-top, that's actually a hard top, fiberglass hard top. We applied the light gray gel coat underneath there as well, giving it a nice custom look. Sitting on a tandem axle trailer with all LED lights, swing tongue, disc brakes. Nice reboarding platform with a stainless steel 4-rung ladder here. We've upgraded the horsepower. Standard power is 150. We've upgraded to the Mercury 200 horsepower. That's a V6, 3.4 liter, 200 horsepower fuel injected 4-stroke. Stainless steel prop. Linco trim tabs. Gives you a lot more control at the helm. Adjust the attitude of the boat. Compensate for weight, port to starboard. Allow you to put the bow down in rough water. Gives you a lot more control. Hydraulic steering. Deluxe Leaning Post with the flip-up bolsters. Does have a live well. We'll take a look at when we get inside. Optional bow seating platform or seating package. Removable backrest. Nice high-density foam, quality cushions there. Got a removable fishing seat as well. Again, you can tailor this boat to suit your needs, no matter what the day's, what's in store for the day on the water. This boat is one that can do it all. Once on board, you'll notice that convertible seating layout that we have. All these cushions, once installed, make a very comfortable place to sit. You've got a cup holder built into the cushion, removable backrest. Really nice way to enjoy a day on the water. The good news is everything's removable. Underneath those cushions, you have a nice big fish box, a forward anchor locker with storage, overboard drain. Those fish boxes and lockers, with the Unibond construction being completely foam filled, they're going to hold ice for a really long time. Low profile stainless bow rail, stainless steel cleats. You notice how clean this boat is, how everything just works and flows together. It doesn't look modular in design. You can tell the extra mile Boston Whaler goes to design their boats. At the helm we have an optional Raymarine 9-inch chart plotter sonar combination. That's the Axiom 9. So this boat is turnkey. It's got Fusion head unit, sound system, Bluetooth connectivity with high quality JL audio component speakers. Got some Mercury SmartCraft gauges. That's going to give you your standard speedometer and tachometer, but also give you information, vitals on the engine, things like fuel burn, which is it'll calculate for the speed that you're running, how many miles you can run at that speed. Really comes in handy when you're trying to budget your fuel for the day. Ritchie compass right in your line of sight where you want it. Nice glove compartment here. It's going to catch cell phones and wallets and what have you. This leaning post is convertible, where you can convert it from a leaning post into a seat. And the passenger can sit down while the person operating the boat can stand, or vice versa, any combination thereof. When you are seating, I like that they've integrated a nice footrest here with the diamond texture on it. Secure place to have your feet sitting for comfort. This is the Deluxe Leaning Post again, so it's got cup holders everywhere. We got rod holders across the back of the backrest. Rod holders on top of our hardtop here. Great safety storage bag there. Quick access to throwable cushions and life jackets. This features the built-in bait well that is high-speed recirculating, so you can run that even while the boat's underway. It's pressurized. It does have lights on board for early morning or nighttime. Quick drain. You'll notice it's round in shape to help your bait keep moving, don't get in corners and die. Also colored blue. These are held up with tension hinges, so you don't have to have a strut. It'll hold itself up. What I consider kind of a classic whaler piece here is this piece here. We can have a pair of needle nose pliers handy, have your knives handy, and have hook sets or lures hanging there. Moving to the rear, 2 casting platforms. Also, again, for long runs or just comfortable seating, this boat's got it. You don't have to give up comfort to have a fishing boat. One of the nice things about this new Mercury 200, if you want to do your daily checks for engine oil or add oil, they've integrated it right into the top of the cowling. No longer have to hang over the back of the boat trying to check your oil.
Thank you very much for taking a tour of the boat with me. Feel free to contact any of our 3 locations in San Antonio, Austin, Lakeway. Schedule appointments to come by and review the boat in person.